Okay, everybody, I'm back. I made my surface coat. Now I want to remind you that we're dealing with epoxy, so everything from the surface coat to the resin has to be epoxy. Okay. I made my surface coat and I thinned it. Well, everyone will tell you you can't thin surface coat. Well, I'm here to tell you you can thin surface coat. I went ahead and thinned it, and if you guys send me an email, I'll send you an email back telling you how you can thin surface coat. It sure is a whole lot easier to apply when it's thin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this mold and apply a thin coat. I'm going to brush on a coat of surface coat, and we're going to let that set up. Now what you want to do is just put this on and just push it. You don't want to put it on like paint and get it real thick, because more than likely when you put it down with a brush, you're going to get it at the thickness that it needs to be in the first place. Just make sure you get your part that's going to be covered. Make sure you get it covered. And then what we're going to do after we get this covered, we're going to let the surface coat fire off to where we can touch it and it be a little tacky but not come off on your glove. And then we'll be ready to start the layup. Now I want to remind you guys that this part is going to be 10 times the part you'll get as if you had laid it up with fiberglass chop mat and use polyester resin or urethane, because the properties that are in epoxy make up for such a better quality piece. And I will be putting this piece up on eBay. It's a nose panel to a 90 to a 99 300Z. So you guys can check out the video and see if it's still available on YouTube. But we're going to let this set up and then I'll come back and roll the video again.